Hello, and welcome to our presentation on the scientific theory of atoms and the motion of these particles in solids, liquids, and gases. Everything around us is made up of tiny particles called atoms. The atomic theory states that all matter is made of atoms, which are the building blocks of the matter. Matter can exist in three different states: solid, liquid, and gas. The state of matter depends on how the particles are arranged and how they move. In solids, the particles are packed closely together and vibrate in place. This is why solids have a definite shape and a definite volume. Liquids. In liquids, the particles are still close together, but they can move around more freely. This is why liquids have a definite volume, but no definite shape. They take the shape of their container. Gases. In gases, the particles are far apart and move very quickly. This is why gases have no definite shape or volume, and they can expand to fill any container. Change of state. Matter can change from one state to another. For example, when water is heated, it changes from a liquid to a gas. This process is called boiling. When water is cooled, it changes from a liquid to a solid. This process is called freezing. The atomic theory is one of the most important scientific theories. It helps us understand the world around us and how matter behaves. I hope you enjoyed this presentation on atomic theory and the motions of particles in solids, liquids, and gases. Thank you for watching.